If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. In this video, we wanted to share with you the psychology of resale and how it has turned shopping into a game. Platforms have implemented gamification strategies that trigger addictive shopping patterns, turn acquisition of the second-hand luxury goods into adrenaline-driven experiences that traditional retail cannot replicate. There are a few mechanisms that we wanted to share with you. Let's start with the gamification mechanics, the core design elements. Now, resale platforms have systematically incorporated gaming psychology principles like artificial scarcity. Each item's unique nature creates immediate urgency and fear of missing out. So, when we are talking about the behavioral tracking features, these modern platforms deploy sophisticated alert systems that monitor the consumer preferences. Then there are the psychological mechanisms. There are neurological triggers. The resale shopping experience activates several psychological systems. First and foremost, the hunter gathering responses. The human brain's evolutionary reward pathways, originally designed for resource acquisition, now activate when pursuing luxury goods rather than survival necessities. And this brings us to the cultural ecosystem, the content infrastructure. The gamification has generated an extensive content economy, educated content teaching, that is, resale hunting strategy. And this leads us to the market transformation. There is a retail disruption that can be seen. The gamified resale experience has created new consumer expectations. Traditional retail environments, which are characterized by constant inventory, organized presentation, and predictable availability, now appear unstimulating by comparison. And then there is a whole engagement architecture. There is a continuous activation that is happening. Resale platforms have designed systems for perpetual user engagement. The transformation represents a significant shift in consumer psychology, where shopping strategy has become as important as the products themselves. The implications extend beyond the individual consumer behavior to broader questions about how digital platforms shape human decision making and economic participation in the modern marketplace. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.